Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Christmas Roleplay at Active Kids. So, we have today with us Garvita and Bidhi, who are acting themselves, and they are going to meet Santa Claus, played by Ivan. So, let's see what happens when they meet Santa Claus. I'm sure you must be excited. Yes? So, over to you.
Ho, ho, ho! I am Santa! Finally, my favorite season of the year has come. The Christmas, the birth of Jesus Christ.
Are you really a Santa?
Hopefully you are not fake.
Of course I'm not fake. I will be proving that I'm not fake.
What do you do when it's not Christmas?
Good question, Bidhi. I observe children's behavior when it's not Christmas and come up with new ideas for the next year. Meet with the elves to discuss logistics and socialize with the reindeer.
Do you have a social media account?
Can I send you a friend request?
Oh, slow down. Yes, Garvita, I have different social media accounts. Sure, Bidhi, I will accept your friend request tonight.
How do you observe children's behaviors?
Do good elves travel back to my village regularly to report in and track everything about the children. They watch into those children's big books. They can record a lot of information in the magical poems on their hats.
Aren't the gifts expensive? Where did you get the money from?
Saint Nicholas was born into a wealthy family around 370 AD. Over the past 1700 years, he has invested that money very wisely and has enough to keep the workshop running and the reindeer nicely fed.
What type of cookies do you like?
I love chocolate chip cookies.
Can I visit your home once a year?
I'm sorry, Garvita. I'm really busy these days because of Christmas. Maybe next Christmas you can come and visit me.
Oh,
Can you come to my birthday party on January 2nd?
Oh God, why not, Bidhi? I'm excited to come to your birthday party with some presents and chocolates.
Um,
oh no.
Yes.
Question.
The questions. So, Santa, I think Garvita and Bidhi still have more questions to ask you. Yes, girls? Do you think you have more questions for Santa Claus?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Firstly, I will be asking, how will you visit my home if I don't have a chimney in my house?
I can break your window and get into your house.
Do you go to houses with only children or do you go to houses without children as well?
I go to houses with the I go to the houses where there is good people and who celebrate Christmas and not celebrate Christmas. But then mainly we should go to the people who have who has good behavior so we can appreciate them.
Why does Santa only come when I am asleep?
I come only when you're asleep because it's nighttime and no one can see me.
Am I in
Well,
the
how are
naughty?
you not asleep? How are you not asleep at night?
I don't sleep. I sleep during the morning. Who told I'll sleep at night?
Am I on the naughty list or nice list?
I don't know. I should check tonight.
So,
Oh
wait,
no!
what happened, Santa?
It's time for me to visit Mr. Peters and Emma's house.
No,
Oh
Santa,
no,
please,
Santa.
Santa,
Please
please
spend some more
spend some
time
more
with
time with
us.
us.
Sorry, kids, they're waiting for me. I have a surprise for you to make you happy. I have some
Yay!
presents and some chocolates for you.
Yay!
Yay!
Wishing you a
You
Merry
all.
Christmas
Merry
and a
Christmas
Happy
and a
Happy
Happy
New Year.
New Year.
Year. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, very nice. Let's wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Come on. Give a pause.
Have a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Wish you all a Merry
Okay, time to smile. Come on, give me a pause. Biddy, give a pause. Lovely. Very nice. Very nice. That was a great performance, my dear children. Really loved it and really salute that you all prepared it in one day. So a big clap for all of you. Come on. A big clap. Okay. So now I want you all to share your experience, regarding how we celebrated Christmas. Come on. Who will share?
I don't really celebrate Christmas.
Sorry?
I don't celebrate Christmas.
No. How we celebrated here in our sessions.
Oh
In
yeah,
our sessions. Yeah.
we did a role play on two girls meeting Santa.
How did you like the experience?
It was fun.
It was fun? You enjoyed?
Felt like I'm Santa.
Yeah.
You felt like you were a Santa. Okay, Garvita.
It was pretty good. I enjoyed it.
Okay.
Got to know more about Santa.
Got to know more about Santa. But how did you like acting out that roles that you all were given?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
It
Okay.
was an enjoyable experience.
An enjoyable experience.